Do you have a nervous dog, or maybe you just adopted a rescue dog? Then this video is for you. So today I want to talk about a method that helps dogs increase their balance, and as a result it helps them increase their confidence, their sense of security and their overall well-being, and that's why it's great for nervous or anxious dogs or also rescue dogs. This method is called the Tellington T-Touch, and it involves different things. The first element is body work. It's basically circular movements of fingers and hands over your dog's body. The goal is to activate cellular intelligence. T-Touch also consists of groundwork like slalom, boards, labyrinth. You guide your dog through, and the goal is to develop your dog's confidence and awareness. And finally, you have T-Touch special equipment like harnesses, double-handed leads, body wraps and halties, and all those help your dog feel more balanced and give them a better sense of their body. This method was created by a woman called Linda Tellington Jones. She's doing an amazing job healing dogs but also other animals. And if you want to learn more about the Tellington T-Touch and how to do the different touches with your dog, I strongly recommend you to read her book. It's this one. It's called Getting in T-Touch with Your Dog, and it's full of great information. Really cannot recommend it enough. I will put the link in the description of this video so you can buy it on Amazon. And they are also organizing a virtual conference where we learn a lot about T-Touch as well, and this is in October for 4 days, so I actually recommend you to attend. If you can, you will learn really a lot. I will probably attend it as well, and I will put the link in the description of this video too, so you can register for it. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more dog training tips, and we will see you in next week's video. Bye!